Welcome to the Hidden Web series, Episode 3, Navigating the Dark Web Securely. If you're curious about exploring the dark web safely, you're in the right place. 62% of users dive into the dark web without proper protection. Today, we're fixing that. You'll learn about VPNs, setting up Tor, blocking JavaScript, privacy-focused operating systems, and more. Before you even install Tor, let's answer a big question. Should you use a VPN with Tor? There are two ways to combine them. VPN, Tor, also known as Tor over VPN. You connect to a VPN first, then launch Tor. Your ISP sees only encrypted VPN traffic, not Tor. It hides Tor usage from network admins. Easy to set up and generally safer for beginners. Tor, VPN, or VPN over Tor. This routes your traffic from Tor into a VPN. It hides your final destination from Tor's exit node. But it's more complex and not ideal unless you really know what you're doing. In most cases, Tor over VPN is the safer option, but make sure to trust your VPN provider. Now that your VPN strategy is clear, let's set up the Tor browser securely. First, download only from torproject.org. Never trust third-party sources. Then, verify the digital signature to confirm the file hasn't been tampered with. Go into Settings and set the security level to Safer or Safest. Finally, turn off automatic updates. Manually check for updates to maintain control. Next, let's talk about hardening your Tor browser. Disable JavaScript. It blocks 94% of browser-based exploits. Always use HTTPS-only mode. It adds an encryption layer. Never enter personal info or use existing accounts. Always create new anonymous identities. Disable all plugins and extensions. They're potential tracking tools. Want stronger protection? Use a privacy-first operating system. Tails OS runs from a USB and leaves no digital trace. Honix uses two virtual machines. One acts as a gateway that routes everything through Tor. Cubes OS takes it further by compartmentalizing tasks in isolated environments. Even basic virtual machines work. Use them as disposable browsers. And before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. Never use your everyday device for dark web activity. Use a dedicated virtual machine. Reset it after each session. Disable your webcam and microphone at the hardware level. And always keep your online identity separate. With these strategies, you're not just browsing the dark web, you're doing it smart, safe, and secure. In the next episode, we'll explore how to find .onion sites and avoid scams on the dark web. This is HAYTECHOPS. Stay private and stay safe.